Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today we are going to swatch 3 AIMEILI gel polishes as well as their latex tape. They went ahead and sent me this, so I'm very happy to be playing with this. Like, it came just in time because I have run out of the one, my Beauty Big Bang, that I use for protecting around my skin. And let me tell you, okay, so here I wanted to show you so you can see how it comes in this nice little box. Okay, so that's how it comes packaged. And look at the bottle, nice and cute. It's got that nice frosted glass look, nice and smooth, kind of like reminds me of a dice. And it is, from what my nose can tell, they claim to be odorless, and I can testify, as far as my nose is concerned, it is 100% odorless, and I'm happy about that. Yeah, so let me go ahead, it's kind of tight here, so you can see it is, this one is white. Yeah, I brought my nose onto this brush and I smell absolutely nothing, which is nice. And I've already used it. I will tell you how I used it already and what my experience with it has been. So far it's been very good. I did like it. And here are the 3 polishes. So I have number 055, which is a neon pink. And then I have the other one. The other pink is 056. This one is also a neon pink, but there are differences between the two, and I'm going to put them side by side so you can tell the difference. And then I have 105, which is a lilac. Yeah, it's kind of like a periwinkle lilac, and that's what I have on my right hand, but I've added some hollow foils and some holographic loose glitter in there, and I'm loving it. Okay, so I'm going to swatch that here on my left hand. So let me tell you about the latex. So I am wearing this latex here on my right hand as a base to make it easy for me to peel off the gel polish, just the same way as I use the Beauty Big Bang latex. And if you're asking how long this will last, I've already wore it overnight. By the time I'm doing this video, this is 2 days, 1 night. Yep, and it stayed. It did good. Now this latex dries. It's white in the container, and it dries white. It does not dry clear, unlike the Beauty Big Bang latex. But you know, whether or not it will affect the color of your gel polish, that might depend. So on my hand, I ended up doing 3 coats of this color because of the white base, right? And again, this is kind of, I'm just cheating around this. This is not the traditional application. This is not the ideal application. This is just something that us nail artists addict really take advantage of, and just, you know, call it a hack, if you will. But yes, it dries white. So for my demonstration on this video, I will use it as a base because these are gels, and I do want easy removal. But I will do a swatch for you guys so you guys can see how they apply, and I will also give it a test applying it to my skin. So I will start with that, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here are the three colors, and hopefully you can tell the difference between the 55 and 56 here on camera. The 55, if I was to make a distinction between the two, I will say that the 55 has a deeper hot pink, and 56, it's, you know, it's more like a little lighter. As far as brightness intensity, it's about the same, but then I will say 55 has a more of the bright intensity as that neon orange that I reviewed a couple of days ago. So like, let's say if you were to do a neon mani with a pink and an orange, I will go with the 55 with that orange. 053 was the neon orange. I will say they are within the same intensity as far as neon. And so yeah, but this pink 56 is very pretty, and I did a design for this one that I will insert the picture for that one as well. This little periwinkle, and it's 105. It's very pretty. Looking at it from the bottle, I honestly did not think I was going to like it. It gave me the impression of just being too muddy, but then I put it on my nails and it looked very, very pretty. I do like it, and I think it'll be a pretty color for the fall. And then I went ahead and embellished it here on my right hand, because I'm giving this latex a test and see how much I can stretch it. But I do like that color as a base here. And I have the latex here on my thumb. I'm going to start peeling it off just to see how it's had. Oh, it doesn't even, it's very soft. And I usually use a piece of tape to remove these latex. See how this, give this a test. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That was super easy. Yeah, and it didn't feel like it had that latex elasticity like the other latex do. Pretty neat. I can tell I thought this was going to be like any other latex, but it really isn't. How about that? Okay, now if you guys like to see what it's going to be like peeling them off of my nails, let's go ahead and give that a test as well. So there you saw how I went about using this latex as a base. It did really well. You saw how I peeled it off. Now I will have to come in comparison to what I've been using, the one from Beauty Big Bang. It seemed a little bit stubborn. Remember, I'm stretching the use of this latex. As far as using it for skin protection, if any of you have used this one before, let me know what was your experience like. It really seems, I thought all latexes were created equal, and apparently not. This one is very different. It does seem to have that like that rice paper texture to it and feel as well, and it peeled off super easy. It didn't feel like it was didn't have that elasticity. And that's probably why also it seemed a little bit more stubborn to remove or peel off of my nail. And underneath that I had my Rejuvico clear base, okay? And then when I peeled it off, it peeled everything off, so it left my nail with nothing, which is fine. But yeah, it's just a test that I had to do. And these polishes are great. Those were 2 coats that you saw me do for each one of them. All 3 of these are creams, beautiful colors. So if you guys have any questions about these or the latex, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will have the links. These are available on their website as well as Amazon. So if you have Amazon rewards points that you want to take advantage of, I'll have that link down below as well. I would like to thank AIMEILI for sending me these items to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.